who is a blockchain developer, and what he does. It is no secret that people working with blockchain are making mad money in the new information technology industry. The most reputable international banks have been studying and implementing blockchain technology in their operations for more than 3 years. According to a World Economic Forum study report, the total amount of capital invested in this sector has been over $1.4 billion in the last 5 years, more than in insurance, for example. Who is a blockchain developer? People who create magical, innovative systems are called blockchain developers. They are able to create a system that provides secure and synchronized records of information. Some people call these specialists unicorns for their work with complex technology, but they do nothing out of the ordinary. This is because many people still do not understand how blockchain works. They think Bitcoin developers are very smart people. A blockchain developer is a programmer who makes different products using blockchain technology, smart contracts, protocols, and decentralized platforms, and cryptographic tools. Let's find out what these people actually do. Bitcoin was invented 10 years ago, but the development of blockchain innovation has only now reached fever pitch in the last couple of years, especially after the launch of Ethereum in 2015. Most of the progressive companies and ideas in the blockchain industry were built on Ethereum, despite the fact that the technology is still very immature. In our video, we'll talk about blockchain developers. We'll understand what their responsibilities are and how much they earn in America and Europe. You'll also learn how to master the profession and become a blockchain developer from scratch. Types of specialists. Depending on what the responsibilities and tasks are, there are 2 types of specialists. Basic blockchain developers are responsible for the blockchain architecture, creating the consensus protocol, designing the network and controlling it, making sure the network is secure. Blockchain software developers develop decentralized applications, dApps, using the existing work of the basic developers. What a specialist should be able to do. Blockchain development is a set of skills and knowledge. A blockchain developer should be able to program in multiple programming languages: Java, C++, Python, less often JavaScript, Ruby, and C#. Understand cryptography in order to make a network secure. Create smart contracts. Understand data structures, as these are the building blocks that make up a blockchain network. Understand the types of blockchain architecture. Understand network protocols. Develop web applications, as you will most often be developing dApps. Know English, you need this to read and understand documentation. Keep up with information from around the world, and communicate with colleagues, as many projects are international. Where he works. A blockchain developer can work in a variety of fields: banking and the stock market. The introduction of blockchain will make it possible to store data securely, detect fraudulent schemes in advance, make financial transactions in cryptocurrency exchanges without arbitrage, increase the speed of transactions, and reduce fees using blockchain in banks. Logistics and supply chain. The introduction of blockchain will make it possible to track the entire path of parcels, reducing the possibility of lost shipments. Insurance. The introduction of smart contracts that unfold automatically when an insurance condition occurs. This will increase returns in this area. Copyright. The immutability of the blockchain structure will make it easy to identify copyrights in intellectual content, which will reduce the possibility of theft of someone else's property. Energy. Blockchain technology reduces the cost of reporting and infrastructure, so much so that even small owners of solar panels or oil and gas rigs will be able to make very profitable sales of their electricity. Demand and career prospects. Blockchain is a revolutionary technology that radically solves security and trust issues. All data and transactions are transparent and cannot be changed or stolen. transactions can be conducted without intermediaries. This significantly reduces the cost of business, so large companies are increasingly investing in this area. According to data from the network, blockchain specialists are the second most in demand. There are 150,000 vacancies in this area on LinkedIn. Both developers and project managers, advisors, etc. are needed. Demand is high, but there are few specialists. That's why positions are often filled without experience in blockchain development, but with the right set of skills. The demand for specialists will only grow as more and more companies understand the benefits of the technology. New projects are constantly appearing, and the volume of investment increases. Blockchain developer salary in 2022. How much a blockchain developer earns depends on several factors. With the right skill set, an understanding of blockchain technology, and programming experience in general, you can get a job and earn a good salary even without blockchain development experience. Much more, the level of salaries depends on the company and the country. In Europe, there is a big variation by country and city. Minsk, $2,160. Kiev, $2,940. Amsterdam, $5,650. Madrid, $4,480. Berlin, $6,032. Computerworld estimates that the average income for blockchain developers in the United States is $130,000 a year. It will take effort to enter the profession, but the payoff is worth it. How to become a blockchain developer. There are several options. Get higher education. Learn on your own from scratch. Take online courses. Getting higher education. To become a blockchain developer, it is not necessary to get higher education. The profession is young, and not every university has managed to open a direction in the blockchain field. If you see that you cannot do without higher education, look for directions. Business model of the digital economy. Blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. Digital economy. Business management in the digital economy. Technological entrepreneurship and blockchain technologies. Information technology in the management of the digital economy. Digitalization of the financial industry and blockchain platforms. Learn on your own from scratch. It's possible and doable, though it will take a lot of time and effort. Start with simple and in-demand programming languages Java and Python. At the same time, learn the basic principles of architecture and design patterns. Once you understand the technology, start studying the documentation. This is basically the only reliable source of information right now, since the technology is young. Start doing simple lessons. Study the code posted on GitHub. The very essence of blockchain is openness, so you'll find plenty of open source examples. Blockchain is a young field in IT. This is a key point. Online courses will help you see the systemic picture and vectors in which to develop and avoid mistakes. The most effective option is to combine studying in courses with self-study. Tips for beginners. Learn the basic principles of programming. This will make the picture systematic and help you master programming languages faster. Look for internships at startups to immerse yourself in practice right away. Get a quality base and upgrade your skills. You can do this in online courses. That way you'll get structured knowledge, hands-on experience, and learn about quality sources of information. Conclusion. As we can see, blockchain developer is a very prestigious profession. Once you master it, you can forget about poverty. The market of specialists is still forming, so it is still easy to enter this industry, not to mention the future. Starting in 2023, it will become harder to enter this sector quickly and confidently, and the market will become more and more saturated with new professionals. Developers working for companies, especially large or gambling companies, earn more than freelancers. This should be taken into account. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you give it a thumbs up, we would be very grateful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you don't miss new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.